This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Diamond Wallet and signing in. You need a verified email or phone. Once logged in, make sure to grant camera and storage permissions so uploads work. Create your profile, pick a clear display name and avatar, because personalization improves discovery. Then navigate to the home feed to see suggested items. Tap the plus button to begin creating content. This first setup moves you from idle to productive, enabling features that the rest of the app depends on. You'll now create and refine content. Tap plus, choose record or upload, then trim clips and apply filters. This shapes viewer attention. After edits, add tags and select a category so discovery algorithms place your item correctly. If you're monetizing, set price or visibility options, public, followers, or private, because that controls reach and revenue. Once done, either publish immediately or schedule for peak hours. Make sure to save a draft if you'll revisit. Lastly, check the Creator tab. You're at finalization. Preview your content thoroughly, captions, tags, pricing, and then publish or schedule it. Once live, enable notifications for comments and messages so you can respond quickly and grow engagement. Monitor initial metrics in the first 24-48 hours and adjust targeting or repost if needed. If something goes wrong, like a failed upload, first check your network, available storage, and that the app has required permissions. If issues persist, clear cache or reinstall. This closes the loop from creation to optimization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.